Imagine waking up to an alert on your phone, payment received. While you were sleeping, your investments were working tirelessly, earning you money. That's the power of passive income. Ain't this a game changer in achieving financial freedom? Robert Kiyosaki, a vocal advocate of passive income, often discusses its crucial role in transitioning from the rat race of active working life to a more controlled and serene financial state. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to start your journey towards making money while you sleep, eat, or play. Real estate investment stands as one of the pillars of passive income. The beauty of real estate is in its tangibility and its potential for various income streams, including rentals, property appreciation, and leasing. For beginners, the path can seem hard to achieve, but with time, the result can be substantial. Starting with real estate requires understanding the market and recognizing what makes a property a good investment. The key is to look for properties in areas with high rental demand and to passion potential for value appreciation. For instance, a small apartment in a city with a growing tech industry might offer stable rental income due to high demand from young professionals. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a more hands-off approach, allowing you to own property indirectly without the hassles of being a landlord. This approach means you can benefit from ownership in a variety of real estate sectors with less capital compared to purchasing a property outright. One successful example is a beginner investor who started investing in REITs and saw a steady 8% annual return, simplifying his entry into the real estate market without extensive capital or expertise. In the digital age, creating and selling digital products stands out as a highly scalable and potentially lucrative passive income stream. From ebooks and courses to software and music, digital products require initial effort but can reap financial rewards indefinitely. And the first step is to identify a niche or subject where you possess expertise or a unique perspective, something that sets your digital product apart. Once your product is created, platforms like Amazon for ebooks, Udemy for courses, or Shopify for various digital goods can host and sell your products. It's the drawing on their vast user bases. Consider the case of an entrepreneur who developed a series of instructional videos on graphic design. By leveraging SEO techniques and social media marketing, he was able to generate a substantial passive income as his videos became a go-to resource for aspiring designers. This shows how combining quality content with strategic marketing can set the foundations for a successful digital passive income stream. Stock dividends, the magic of compounding. Dividend investing is one of the most traditional forms of generating passive income. It involves buying shares of companies that pay dividends, which are typically distributed quarterly. Over time, these dividends can be reinvested to purchase more shares, benefiting from the compounding effect. For beginners, it's advisable to start with well-established companies that have a history of stable or increasing dividends. The tools like dividend yield calculators and brokerage comparison platforms can aid in selecting the best stocks for your investment goals. Moreover, dividend reinvestment plans or DRIPs automate the reinvestment process, ensuring that dividends are consistently used to expand your investment base. A practical example is a person who invested in blue chip stocks with high dividend yields and utilized DRIPs to increase his holdings. Over 20 years, his initial modest investment grew exponentially, showcasing the potential of patience and consistent investment in dividend-paying stocks. This approach not only offers regular income, but also positions your portfolio for growth over the long term. Passive income isn't just a luxury, it's a strategic approach to taking control of your financial destiny. By engaging with any of these strategies, you can diminish reliance on a single source of income, diversify your portfolio, and potentially secure a more comfortable financial future. Whether you are buying your first rental property, launching a digital product, or investing in dividend yielding stocks, the path to passive earnings is accessible and achievable with the right guidance and mindset. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more passive income and investing tips.